Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to see your blocked list on Snapchat. Checking your blocked list helps you manage your privacy settings and review the accounts you have restricted. So, let's get started on how to see your blocked list on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on the settings option at the top right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down and find the blocked users option. Once you find it, tap on it. You can now see all the users that you have blocked on Snapchat. And this is how you can see your blocked list on Snapchat.
Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.